Hi guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. So today I have a different idea for you to embellish or enhance your acrylic pour paintings. If you're anything like me, sometimes when you're working on a piece, you can find you really want to add some dimension or some depth to a piece, but you don't want to disturb the composition, which you can easily do if you mess with a painting too much, which I've done more times than I can count. So today I'm going to show you just how you can use basic spray paint over different areas of your painting while it's even still wet, to add light areas or dark areas or really any color of spray paint that you can find. And I'll put the exact brand that I'm using, but it's basically a cheap version that I get from the hardware store. So let me show you. All right, well, that's it for today. It was a quick video. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe and join my growing community of artists who are sharing tips and tricks. See you next time.